Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short room makeover video is about ways to decorate your dining room on a budget. Here are a few different ways for decorating a dining room to give it a whole new lease on life, without breaking the bank. Number 1. Cover the table with some fabric in order to hide any ugly surfaces. You could then use the colors in the fabric as the basis for the new decor for the room. Number 2. The use of inexpensive accessories will help to change the whole appearance of your dining room. Get some candles and candle holders in order to provide a different look and feel to your room. Number 3. Instead of placing items together as even-numbered groups, do it in odd-numbered groups instead. Where two candlesticks together look symmetrical, consider adding a bowl or another smaller item with them to give a different look. Number 4. Move any furniture away from walls, and instead place them in corners of the room at angles. By doing this, you are giving your dining room a whole new look. Number 5. Build and attach a fold-down shelf to one of your dining room walls. It will certainly make it easier for you when entertaining, and can be used as a buffet area also. Number 6. You can give your dining room cabinets a new lease on life by painting them to accentuate the color of the room. Number 7. Use a mirror in order to create light and space in your dining room. Possibly frame one in such a way that it creates a mock window if you have an interior dining room. Number 8. If your dining room chairs are looking a little dated, you could purchase a tablecloth that matches the one you use for your table, and upholster the chairs with the same design. Number 9. Consider painting one or two walls with an accent color that matches the colors already being used in the dining room. This is a quick and inexpensive way to upgrade the look of the room. I hope that these tips have given you some ideas for freshening up your space on a budget. Please leave your thoughts below, we would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.